Did you know that the sun makes sounds? Yes, but they're not sounds we can hear with our ears. The sun emits pressure waves that are similar to sound waves, but they extend hundreds of kilometers, making them beyond the range of human hearing. Scientists use special instruments to convert these waves into sounds we can hear, helping them study the interior of the sun. Isn't it amazing? Even stars have their own melodies. If you liked this information, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.